Hart Home Comfort service team is experts in a variety of different heating and cooling equipment. We have a multi-layered service team where we have customers who are able to get expert installations, service in various issues with heating equipment and cooling equipment, and we make sure that our technicians are going to school and trained in the most modern and up-to-date products available.
We're going to add more staff, and we need more room, more storage capacity, more parts, because our installation department is growing. It's pretty much doubled in the last year and a half.
We have a very strong policy at Hart Home Comfort that we never ever sell a customer something that they don't need. We have a full installation crew that handles air conditionings, from central air conditioning systems to all of the mini split and heat pump systems that you see out on the market today.
I'm the field service supervisor, so I help the guys out with all the installs, and I do inspections on the installs. I make sure the customer is happy, because customer satisfaction is one of our top priorities here. We all help each other, and the fact that our guys are dedicated to what they do. They definitely will go out there and stick their neck out and do what they need to do to make sure a customer's happy.